Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Thursday, everybody. Good to see you, Roger Gillis, everybody. Welcome back. 30 minutes till the market opens up, and we got a couple of nice, interesting stocks that are making some big moves. Let me tell you that I don't know, just that the video I posted, 2 days ago regarding about the Intel trade. Let me bring up the Intel really quick. What a great move, right? And everyone is so focused on Nvidia. Okay, but you know what? Nvidia is $120, right? And it went up pretty good. Yeah, I get it. But like I said in that video, you know what? There's another Nvidia, which is almost 10 times less money. Okay. And it percentage wise moved like great. Thanks for sharing that. Rich, post that up in also in the social media so people can see it. You should watch that video. If you haven't watched it, when we're done in the next 10 minutes, watch the video. All right. But everyone did really well on that Intel trade. I mean, sometimes I shock myself that these things happen. And if I have to remind everyone, you all remember what happened with ASTS. Okay. So getting back to what we do, it's not about day trading. It's about also swing trading. We all go out there and we're like, I'm not really a day trader and this and that. I don't like the concept. I heard people lose money. You don't have to day trade. Okay, to be a day trader. You could swing trade and just understand the concept of day trading. That will make you that much better of a swing trader. It will make you that much better of an options trader. But if you don't know what happens over the course of the day, and if you sit back and like, nothing's really going on, I'm going to take it easy. Yeah. And then all of a sudden, you might have something like, I don't know, maybe this YANG, seeing that, you know what? I didn't realize it was at $9. Maybe tomorrow come back. Next thing you know, it's at 8. Next day, it's at 7. Next thing you know, you wake up, oh, shoot, I should have sold it yesterday. What happened yesterday? What happened the day before? Right, the day before. And you wake up in the morning, and then within 3 days, 4 days, you just lost half of your money. Now, I'm just picking YNG because it's in the big percentage losers list. And you woke up this morning, and if you're one of those people a couple of days ago and didn't realize and were paying attention on the day trade, you probably would have got out sooner than the other day. And that's the tip of the day. Okay. That's a tip of the day to make you a better trade. But with that said, yesterday was a really, really good day. I mean, me and Josh were really we were talking about it earlier. And even yesterday, even when we were done at 10:30, I'm like, wow, there was a lot of stocks that were moving yesterday. And just the easiest one was Intel. Intel was definitely the easiest one. I mean, Nvidia moved up pretty good, but it's expensive. You know what I mean? Like it went up great. 122 went up to like 125. I went to go to I got a haircut yesterday. I don't know if you guys noticed because I have a wedding to go to. It's my niece's wedding today. Everyone knows my niece Amanda that used to work here at CTU. She's getting married. And it's funny. The reason why I bring it up is because my hairdresser owns so much Nvidia. And it's like, I didn't notice, but all these hairdressers, they all trade. Whenever I come in the door, because they follow me. They're like, Fausto, what's going on with this stock? What's going on with Intel? What's going on with that one? And they're big fans of Nvidia, and they're like, yeah, the CEO says he's not going to sell any more shares. It made the stock pop. So anyway, a lot of good things going on, but that's not what's most important. There were a lot less expensive stocks out there with less risk, more rewards. Let's touch upon a few of them. Okay. APLD was awesome. This stock, in the last couple of days, you could see it from $4, went to $8. Great move on this APLD. You could see it here at 9:30, started on $7, then it went to $7.40, did a shake, went to $7.80, did a shake, all the way up to when we're done around 10:30, shot up all the way up to $8. Really, really nice move yesterday on the APLD. What else we got? We had the AUR. A lot of Chinese stocks also did pretty well. Another very inexpensive stock. $4 on the swing trade, turned into a day trade. You could see it right here. Beautiful run up. And you can see where the things continue to go higher and really shot up here. I don't know if I want to add it to the watch list yet. I'll put it on the C list, but it was on the day trading list. So that one did pretty well too. By the way, I'm putting Intel back on the list. INTC. Put that back on the watches. By the way, is everyone subscribed to my Telegram? I mean, if you're not subscribed to it, you should be logged into Telegram. If you want to get the alerts on social media, you can get these alerts there. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. and also on X. But the Telegram, I think, is better. I think you like the Telegram. We'll post that link. Rich, can you post that link for everyone to get to the Telegram too? Maybe make sure everyone's subscribed to that. You should be getting that too on those alerts. Now, couple other things, a couple other stock. And by the way, I got a big announcement at the end. We did a couple of big updates here at Cybertrain University. I want to talk about some other things. If you're a student, want to cover that. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. So anyway, UAR is doing pretty good. What else that we traded yesterday? It did pretty good. OCT, was it OCTO? Yeah, that one had a good move. That had a really big pop. That was a nice little day trade, $1 to $5. Had a big pop early, and then right around 10:30, we were done. And sure enough, look, that stock came back down. That one, CAPR was also awesome. This stock has been a phenomenal swing trade too. Great day trade. Okay, start around 5. You can see it ran to $12 in 3 days. Okay, not even Nvidia did that. Okay, so not even Apple did that. So you like the inexpensive stocks. Great move over the course of the day. All the way to about 2 o'clock. Shot up from $10 to 12, and you see went from 5 to 12. I don't know if I want to. If it pops up on the list, I'll consider it. But as of right now, you know what? See ya. Another one, because we always know it's always a new adventure at Cybertrain University. Another nice little cheap little stock that's moving, did really well too, is this RKLB. Great mover at 9:30 this morning. This one was probably the easiest stock to trade. It just went up beautifully. I mean, look at this chart. It just did not stop until 10:30. Once again, why do I keep bringing up the word 10:30? Look at the damn clock right here. Everybody got a mouse pad? I don't know if you guys are watching on social media. Everyone here in the trading room has one, okay? Look at the times. Best times, worst times to trade. It's not a full-time job, but could have just traded to 10:30. You were done. That was another great one. I'm going to throw that one back on the watch list. RKLB. Put it on the B list. Okay, that one's pretty good. All right. So anyway, let's turn the page. Let's look at a couple of the stocks that are moving pretty well. TBIO. Hold on. I got to clean some stuff out here. I got too many stocks over here. I'm going to clean up my level 4. Because remember, we will not buy a stock until we see what the street is doing. Right, everybody? That's our motto. Always check what the street is doing. So TBIO, what we got going on over here. Let me load up the data. See what we got. All right, so we got a couple iceberg orders at 530 and 470. Okay, where are we? Yep, right there. That's our resistance. There's our support. Not bad. Decent move. She's kind of flat. She had that big move early this morning, in the after hours. But that one's not bad. TBIO, biggest percentage gain, up 105%. KTTA, I know Josh just brought that up. Grant, you brought that up too. That one's moving up really nicely. Once again, another pharmaceutical stock right there. KTTA. I see some of the traders already talking about it. So let's go check where the orders are on that one right there. Yeah, great push on this stock right here. Big order showed up here around 6:30. I don't see any sellers. Big green fat ball right there. Like it. Yes. On the watch list. Some of you did get it in Cyber Group Room. Okay, good. By the way, if you're listening on social media, you could always join our trading room. Just like us, friend us. Got that little QR code up on top. If you want to join us, we put that QR code for you. There you go. Join us live if you want to come and join us all day long. Next stock on the list. I didn't like this one. Spread was pretty light. I don't like the chart, how it's trading. This one is garbage. MU, my God. Everyone see what happened in the after hours on MU? Holy crap. That thing must have came out with record earnings, it sounds like to me. I mean, boom. This thing ran from 95 to 120. What a great move. Unbelievable. I know some of you guys were sticking around after hours, but damn, MU. Now, do we buy it here to 112 after it was 92? You know what? It's still got to push. It's still pushing. 7 o'clock this morning ran from almost 110. It's already at 112. Got to see where the orders are. I can tell you one thing. If it's pushing now, that thing's going to look pretty good. So MU's on my watch list. Absolutely. Definitely. Another stock, big earnings. Looks like came up. BZ, nice little push on BZ. BZ, if I remember correctly, does trade a little volatile. Okay. I'm probably scratch it for now. I hate the chart on this one when I see the spottiness. Where we at 12%. BILI has been a really nice stock too. That's moving up nice and slowly too. A little dangerous though. PDD, another ETF right there, moving up pretty decent. JD's moving up pretty decent. These are all the Chinese stocks. All Chinese stocks are moving. All right, losers. Anything good there on a short? Nothing good there. New York Stock Exchange, ETF. You know how we feel about ETFs, a little difficult to trade. GOTU, we traded this stock a few times. Remember we traded back last year? Ran from like $3 all the way to about $8. I'll put it on the B list. GOTU, sometimes these things come out of nowhere and they make a big move. All right, there's another Chinese stock, TAL. Yeah, a lot of EDUs, another Chinese stock. Okay, that one's moving up pretty good. These all the Chinese stocks are on the New York Stock Exchange. So I'm not going to write all the Chinese stocks out there. We all know a lot of you. We'll post them up there as we see them as they're coming up, but I'm not really going to bring that up. Alcoa is moving. Michael, AAA. The issue with Alcoa is like, it's big spread. It's like a level 4. You traded before, but Michael, you're a platinum student, so if you know how to, if you've been trading for a while, you probably know how to get in and out of it. But for some of us right here, got to be careful with that one. All right. What else we got going on? Anything else that's moving in the list? Anybody else? Did I miss anything that I did not call out? Now, remember what happened yesterday. If you're new here to Cybertrade University, listen, you're only supposed to see and watch, but what about the silver stocks? I mean, was it SVL? SLV? Nah, they're not really doing that much. Was it Pan America Silver? They're not really doing too much, Samuel. Silvers, I mean, they've been probably a little good on a swing trade, but not that much. I mean, gold's doing pretty good, though. Gold's doing pretty well. The bullion. All right, let's get ready for the market open up. We got about 15 minutes. I'll post this on our Telegram. Now, for you, if you are part of Cybertrade University, you probably notice just want to tell you a quick little change that we've done. We made a nice little update to Cybertrade University. So I'm going to post this up here really quick. So when you log into our trading room, you are going to get a calendar that does pop up. Okay. So you'll be able to see on our calendar, everybody here, as in all the podcasts, all the classes, anything that's coming up like today. You have phase 2 that's coming up. So all these things the next week, got a really busy week, got phase 3. We got events that are going on, tons of stuff that are going on here at Cybertrade University. So if you are a student of Cybertrade University and you do log in, always check the clock. You love it? Good. We're trying to listen. We've been doing a lot of changes. And not only that, I know some of you also been having problems with your passcode to get in. We've done a big change. We did some change in our CRM. It's been a huge, challenge for us. So just be patient with us. All right, guys? No problem. Well, anything we could do to make your lives a lot easier, learn quicker, get those training classes, remind you of those events and everything else. All right, guys? Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Trade safe. We'll see you in about 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere. If you're watching on social media or you're watching this recording, make sure you like us, friend us, and share us. All right? And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Good luck, everybody. We'll see you in about 15 minutes when the market opens up.